What is going on, guys? God damn it, what the fuck was that? What is going on, guys? YCG here, back with another video. It is about... shit, my blinker's on. 9:30 a.m. right now. We're going for a little quick ride just so I can explain some stuff to you guys. We're gonna go down to Riverfront, go down to parking garage, you know what I'm saying? Get some videos, do some pictures. But, so, if you saw in the last video, I did get another car. And I sold my Z800 to my brother. So, he has my Z800 now so that I could get another project car. The reason I got a project car is because, so if you guys didn't know, I had a 1997 Honda Civic. That was my little baby, my project car, my baby. That was my baby. But I sold it because I wanted something different. So, in the last video you guys saw, I bought the 2013 Chevy Caprice. And I'm loving it right now. It's great. But I wanted to replace my project car. And Z800 was cool, but I had no like attachments to it, you know what I'm saying? And wintertime's coming up, and wintertime out here sucks, and I need to find ways to make content for you guys. And it rains a lot, so like, not that I'm scared to ride in the cold. I'll ride in the cold, but it just rains too much to even like really do shit. So that's the problem, is it rains too damn much to do anything. So I bought this car so I could have videos and stuff to make about modifying it, learn how to drift because rear-wheel drive. But yeah, so it's just stuff like that that I started. That's the reason I bought it. So that's like the main gist of this like, whole video, really. I just want to go for a quick little ride, explain it to you guys on the bike, because I don't have windows on the car, and a GoPro head mount look kind of ridiculous. I don't know what this dude doing. And I am fucking hungry, so after I do this little thing for you guys, I gotta get something to eat. So I am fucking starving. But we gotta get something to fucking eat, boys. Fucking jello. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what the hell I zoned out for a second. Not zoned out, but I just wasn't talking, just focusing up. Yeah, so we're gonna go down to the riverfront real quick, park up, a little bit more talk and explain, go down to the garage, get some pictures, you know, shit like that. But yeah, that was just the main gist of it. I love motorcycle riding, don't get me wrong. I was just starting this whole YouTube channel and gaming and shit, so I mean, but yeah, gaming and motorcycle riding has been on this YouTube channel, you know, but I really want to get another project car. I want to get another project car for the winter time, so I keep content coming for you guys. So this channel is basically going to be like gaming, some gaming content here and there, live streams, cars and bikes, you know. It's just all around, you know, try to be an all around type of YouTube channel. But we're trying to just be an all around YouTube channel. That's like the main goal. Goal is just to be like an all-around YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? Keep it interesting. Little drip. Yeah, This is the main purpose of this channel, just kind of be like an all-around channel. I think it's pretty cool. Dude, I'm so fucking hungry. It's not even funny. I haven't eaten yet. I was gonna hit the gym and my stomach's not feeling that great. So I either might hit it later tonight or just want to take a little rest day because my stomach freaking hurts. Yo, go, bro. You can turn. It doesn't say no turn on red. Some people, bro. Some freaking food, that's for damn sure. After this, I need some freaking food. Park up over here real quick. My girlfriend was calling me, so I gotta park up and see what's up. But I'll get back to you guys here in a second. Alright guys, so we are about to head out. I'm super hungry, so I'm not going to that parking garage, but I just wanted to basically explain to you guys what the whole plan was going on and everything like that. Alright, I just want to basically explain to the plan to you guys what's going on, what the whole feature thing is. At the motorcycle. But yeah, so I just wanted to explain to you guys what I got going on, why I sold the Z800, because I mentioned it in the last video a little bit, but that's about it. I didn't really go into it too much, I think. I don't remember, but that's just the main thing. I want to get this video out there, get a little bit of riding, because I haven't rode it, because I've had people over, so I haven't been able to ride my motorcycle, which sucks, but missed the biker. That's alright. Yeah, so just enjoy this little ride while I go get some freaking food. I've been pretty bad at doing outros, but I'm gonna try to get better. So I'm gonna make an outro right now, just in case I'm probably gonna, not probably, I'm going to forget about it. I'm definitely gonna forget to do an outro, so hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go and comment. I hope you guys have a great blessed day. Thank you guys for all the support. We've been growing pretty fast, not only like on YouTube, because YouTube kind of slowed down a little bit, but on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Snapchat spotlights. So I appreciate all you guys for love and support for all that, and it makes me like happy that you guys enjoying the content. And it seems to be going pretty well, so I appreciate it. We keep on going. On Instagram, we are at 900 followers. That's pretty crazy. We're almost at that. Well, not almost. We're still like 100 more followers, so we get to 1,000. But that's all right. Sorry for that. But yeah, we're going pretty fast. It's like, it's pretty crazy. I didn't think I would actually be able to as far as I have already. 3,700 followers, subscribers on YouTube, 900 followers on Instagram, 3,100 on TikTok, and on Snapchat Spotlight, I see like 1,700 followers. So I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone for supporting me and just showing love, just liking it. Just people just watching the videos. I mean, it just helps. It just motivates me. You know what I'm saying? So keeps me going, because I do work a full-time job, and I do this, and then I go to the gym, and I have a girlfriend. And it's just whole, you know. So it's a whole thing. But I mean, that's just kind of how it goes. But that's alright though. But you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I appreciate all you guys for that.